Question 6, Rhun Iorwerth. Will the First Minister make a statement on the National Grid's plans in Ynys Môn?
We have consistently pressed the National Grid to ensure its proposals for the new line across Anglesey are fit for purpose and sensitive to the environment through which it will pass.
Last Wednesday, the National Assembly for Wales made a very clear statement that it's our democratically expressed wish in this place for the National Grid to seek alternative methods of making new electricity connections in Wales rather than putting in place new pylons for any new developments here. That's particularly pertinent to us in Ynys Môn, of course, where we face seeing a new line of pylons being erected over the next few years. Now, in light of the fact that this Assembly has demonstrated its democratic will a week ago, will the First Minister give a commitment to contact the National Grid again to put pressure on it and Ofgem to convince them that they should listen to the democratic voice of our National Assembly and reconsider their proposals? After all, every voice representing Ynys Môn, apart from one UKIP regional member, and I include here myself as the Assembly member, the MP, parish councils, town councils and the county council have all expressed our opposition. The National Assembly has supported that, and we would want the support of the First Minister to urge Ofgem and the Grid to listen.
Well, of course, the Assembly's position is very close to the government's standpoint, and we wish to see the cables being undergrounded. That's our whole standpoint on this. I'm very happy again to tell the National Grid that that is the view of the Parliament of Wales, and therefore is a view that they should take into detailed consideration.